This is top 5 things you need to know about the Lucid Air. We're here in New York checking out the two cars. Let's go through our top 5 list. The first thing you need to know is the starting price of the Lucid Air. After the federal tax credit of $7,500, the car starts at $69,900, under 70 grand for an executive luxury sedan. Number 2, the Lucid Air Dream Edition will have 1,080 horsepower and cost just under $170,000. That's that one right there, really freaking fast. Number 3, there are 2 largest on this car. This is the widest taillight of any production electric vehicle, and the front trunk, which you can see over there, is the largest front trunk of any production electric vehicle. This car has 517 miles of range thanks to its 113 kilowatt hour battery pack, insanely nicely packed electronics that work together harmoniously for a total really efficient package of 4.5 miles per kilowatt hour. Number 5, the last thing you need to know about Lucid Air is there will be a tri-motor version coming. We don't know all the specs, but we do know it'll run a 9.24 second quarter mile. It'll have well over 1,080 horsepower, probably in that 14 or 1,500 horsepower range. And this is that rear drive unit. Look how tiny it is, and it makes all that power, paired with that front one over there, of course. These were just the highlights of the Lucid Air. If you want to see more, take a look at the link in the description where we have a half-hour long live stream on our Out of Spec Motoring channel where we go through the nitty-gritty. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.